How to turn Do Not Disturb on your Mac. It's perfect when you want to focus, record, or just stop notifications from popping everywhere. And when you are done, you can turn everything back. So let me show you how to turn this on or off. So all you have to do, you want to click on this icon on Mac, and from this menu you just have to click on Do Not Disturb. If you don't see it right away, you can click on Edit Controls, and from here you can add it. So you want to search for focus, and then you can click on simply this plus icon and add to control center, or you can drag it however you want. And to turn it off, just simply click on it on this icon in a circle, and it's going to turn off the focus mode. So if you want to edit it, you can click on this icon and you can go to focus settings. Now you want to click on this do not disturb, and from here you can also set a schedule. So you can enable this automatically, let's say every day from 9 to 5 p.m. or you can add your custom schedule. You can also add allowed people, like for notifications. So you can select specific people from which you want to get notified also when this is turned on. So this is also a useful thing. You can also add some filters over here. So you can filter what you want to turn off or turn on. And this is basically how to turn off or on Do Not Disturb on your Mac. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.